The jailed MLA of Qawmi Ekta Dal, Mukhtar Ansari, has been released from Agra jail on parole, and UP government will provide security. Dawn-turned politician has now pledged support to Narendra Modi's challenger, Ajay Rai, the Congress candidate from Varanasi, and he will campaign for him in Varanasi. Aditya is with us. Aditya, this is a major development. Mukhtar Ansari is known to be a big political heavyweight, somebody who has got huge influence in certain section of voters in Varanasi. Tell us, what does it mean that he is now going to be actively campaigning for Ajay Rai, of course, today being the last day of campaigning?
Well, absolutely, Afrida. It is a big development in the political circles of Varanasi. Almost a month back, he had expressed support to the Congress's candidate from Varanasi, Ajay Rai. In fact, this is a tainted leader. We are talking about Mukhtar Ansari, who has been in the Agra jail this morning at around 6 a.m. He was released on parole. In fact, from the Delhi Makoka court, he had received parole almost 11 days ago, but UP government was unable to give him sufficient security to move around his districts and campaign really. But at this moment, I can confirm it to you that he is on his way to Varanasi. From Varanasi, he'll head towards the Mau district and go to Gosi, where he will join his brother Afzal Ansari and campaign. Both these brothers, Afzal and Mukhtar Ansari, have been really pushing for the Congress's candidate Ajay Rai. But the big question is, will Ajay Rai be able to give a tough challenge to BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi? At this moment, I'm standing at the Benia Bagh area of Varanasi, where Narendra Modi's rally was denied permission, but Rahul Gandhi's convoy will be passing here any moment. Also remember, this release of Mukhtar Ansari comes on a day when Rahul Gandhi will be holding a massive roadshow on the streets of Varanasi, which will be beginning any moment. While it is a major push for the Congress's candidate Ajay Rai here in Varanasi, it remains to be seen whether Ajay Rai will be providing and proving to be a tough challenge for Narendra Modi. At this moment, the minority community seems to be divided on Ajay Rai and Arvind Kejriwal, but it remains to be seen who will really prove to be the big challenger here in Varanasi on May 12th when the polling takes place.